Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to find your email and reset your password on Epic Games. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps in a simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to epicgames.com. If you're already signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right, then click on Account. Here, you'll see the email address linked to your Epic Games account. Step 2. If you're not signed in, go to epicgames.com and click Sign In. Select the option you used when creating your account, for example, Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or email. Step 3. Click on Forgot Your Password. Now enter your username or email address. If you're not sure which one, check your email inboxes to find out which email you used for Epic Games. Step 4. Epic Games will send you a reset link. Open the email, click the link, and create a new password. That's it. You've now recovered your email and password. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.